Alrighty, now I did promise that I'd show you another way of doing the lettuce in case you didn't want to spend the time in doing the fondant lettuce. This is a tip number 104, which is a rose petal tip, and it's just in a parchment bag. I've got some green buttercream, which I've mixed with some white. Place that in the bag. Just squeeze a little out. I always do that, get any air pockets or anything out. Now, this is the wide end, and that's the narrow end of the tip there. What you want to do is say, let me just make a line. That's where the hamburger would be, the bun. Okay, so this would actually be on the side of the cake, up here like this. So the wide end would be slightly touching the cake, and you would just squeeze and wiggle. So say this was the hamburger bun, that line was the hamburger bun, you could do some lettuce above it, and you could do some lettuce underneath it, and continue all the way around the cake. Okay, so just a really simple, easy way to do another version of the lettuce. And you can use different size rose tips. It doesn't have to be a 104. If it's a bigger burger, go ahead and use a larger rose tip. Okay? Of course, the fondant ones look better, but this could save you a little bit of time. Oh, except what? What do you like with your burger? Ketchup and mustard. So this is where the tips number 8 in the red and the yellow come in. And this is where you really can fix any of your mess ups. So anything on any of these rough edges in here that you don't like, just go ahead and squeeze your mustard in there. Have that kind of oozing out. You can even have it coming out from down here. A little up here. And kind of go up and down. And we'll have some in here on the lettuce. And it's even good as sometimes if you have it and actually pop it down onto the board. And we'll go ahead and take the ketchup now. And you definitely want the ketchup oozing down. Oh yeah, this is one messy burger. And come over here. See that part of the burger there? Doesn't that look cool? See that adding that texture of the chocolate cookie crumbs really adds to it. That felt a little loose, but I think it's okay. If I put a little bit more buttercream on there, then it'll be fine. So if I'm transporting it, then I won't have to worry about it. And let's just go ahead and put a little bit more down here on the board. That'll secure some of these fries anyway. And maybe we'll go ahead and put some back here. And voila! It's ready. Ready for the barbecue.